again. So for this last activity that we're going to do for this part of the day, I just need you to get out your blue book, and you don't need any of your tools like a pencil or crayons. You're just going to need your finger and you're going to need your brain because we're going to do something called mindful breathing. And what that means, it sounds kind of strange, right? That just means that we're going to pay really close attention to how we're breathing. And the reason we do this is because it helps us to relax and to calm down when there's a lot of other things going on. And there's been a lot of things going on today. You guys have learned and done so much. You've learned about being a good listener. You've learned about finding the title on a book and gone for a book hunt to find it. You've learned about stick letters and practiced tracing them and finding them. You've learned about shapes and gone on a hunt to find squares around your house. You've listened to a story. There's been so much going on today. Your brain needs a little break, and you're going to practice taking a break by focusing on how you breathe, because it really helps to calm down your whole body. So, in your blue book, hopefully you've been marking with your star bookmark where you leave off. And I know this is the next page with this big apple, but we're going to skip this page for right now. If you want to do this page with someone at home later, you can go right ahead. But right now, I'm going to have you just turn to this very next page where you're going to see some arrows and some lines. And I want you to lay your book down flat, okay? I'm going to hold mine up to show you, but yours should look like this, okay? So you can move your finger here. So that's what you're going to do today. I told you, you just need your finger and your brain for this. So what you're going to do is when your finger, starting right here, goes up, I want you to breathe in like you're smelling some beautiful flowers or maybe some chocolate chip cookies, okay? So let's practice that. Very good. And then when you bring your finger back down, you're going to practice breathing out like you're blowing out all of the candles on your birthday cake, okay? So let's practice that. Breathe in first, and then blow out the candles. One more time. Breathe in like you're smelling something yummy, and breathe out. Good job. And I want you to try it again this time, but with your eyes closed so you can really just focus on your breathing. It's okay if your fingers aren't right on the lines, but start off your finger here, eyes closed, and breathe in, and go down and breathe out. Breathe in and go up. Breathe out and go down. Great job. So now I want you to just relax for a little bit until our final part of the day. Our last thing that we're going to do all together at 12 o'clock is have our closing circle on our Google Meet. So you will sign in again and go to our meeting with the code Kendall at 12 o'clock. I'll see you then.